Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video we are going to unbox an RGB LED fill light. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the parcel. So I bought this LED from the ras.pk for around $20. So let's see if this LED fill light is worth the money or not. So here we have it. Here is the box. So here is the LED fill light. The company name is Ulanzi, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Anyways, the model number is vl49 RGB because it is an RGB light, mini LED video light. On the side we got some kind of sticker, and on the other side we got some of its specs as well. The temperature is from 2500K to 9000K, so from warmer to colder or from colder to warmer. The battery is 3.7 volt, which is 2000 mAh battery. It is RGB and portable because of its small size, so it means that it's going to have a built-in battery. On the back we got the address of the company and nothing so too much. So let's just open the box. Okay, first of all we're going to get a user manual for this mini LED light, and I think it's mostly in Japanese, but we got English as well. So yeah, I think Chinese or Japanese, not sure, but anyways we have that, and we have the English as well. So if you want to read it, you can read it. And after that we're going to have a little power cable. So that's a USB type A to type C to charge your mini LED light, which is great that they're moving towards type C. And last but not least, our LED light itself. So it is a little bit heavy, I would say. It has some weight to it. And here we go. So it has a shoe, so you can mount it to your DSLR camera or any other mount which supports this hot shoe. And here on the back we got this little LED screen, and the other is just colors. We got forward backward button and some other buttons as well, so we can mount through the sides as well. And here we have our charging port. So let's see if it has any juice or not. And this is a switch, this one, and this is the button. So the light wasn't turning on for the first time because it doesn't had power. So it was 100% charged, but I don't know why it wasn't powering on for the first time. So all I had to do is to just connect it with the usual mobile charger with the cable provided, and when I plugged in, it just started and it just turned on. The other thing I want to share that the cable that they provide is really small. I mean, they can provide a longer cable, but anyways, this is one of the bad things about this light. Anyways, here we have our on off button, the function switch, and to go through different modes and the brightness. So here we're going to enable it. You can see the brand name. Here it's going to show you the battery level. On the 53% means how much brightness you're going to get from this light, so it can go from 0 to 100. And here we have the color temperature. So here is the light, which is not that bad, looking the fact that I have a big octobox right on top, but still we can see pretty good. So if you want to change the color, you just press on these buttons and it's going to change the color, as you can see. So you can go from one color to another color like this, which is really cool. And now you can see I am in color purple, and if I go back, the process is same. And if you want to change the brightness, you're going to press on this function button. You can see now the blue will go over there, and now you can change the brightness as well. So now the brightness is going to go from high, and if I press on again, the brightness should low down. So this is really cool that you got a lot of features, and it is chargeable, so you can just put it on your bag and go anywhere, and you can place it anywhere without worrying to power this light continuously. So that is really cool. So this light is going to add more quality to your videos because it is a fill light and you can change the colors really quickly. So that is really cool of this light. So that's going to add more value and quality. If you're going to make some product review videos or just to show the product, you can do it. As you can see right now, I'm just moving the light with my hand, and it's adding more quality to the video. And I'm going to be using it as a fill light when I'm going to make videos myself. So yeah, this is really cool, looking at the price point that it's just $20. So guys, this was the unboxing video of this RGB LED light from Ulanzi. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any question, write them in the comment section below, and I will also put the link where I bought this light in the video description as well. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.